Hey, this is Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Friday, February 18, 2022. Today is options expiration day, and it's coming after a bit of weakness in the markets. So yesterday, the markets closed down at the lowest price of the week, and here we are coming into options expiration day. So what we'll look at this morning is what has happened historically on options expiration day when the prior day closed at a 5-day low. Let me go ahead and get it set up here in Discover. We'll grab all four instruments. We've got a setup based upon entering the market long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time and exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. Now this pattern's pretty rare, so I'm not going to add an opening filter to it. I'm just going to keep all the samples that I can, skip over this. If you want to add it, you can come here. We're currently trading up, but it doesn't really change the stats drastically. I did look at it both ways before running it here. But what we are going to grab is from the price patterns library. We're going to go to the new lows section, take that very first option. I'm going to hit equals here, day after 5-day low close. You could also grab that from the active today section, which tells you what is true for today. It's down here near the bottom under the new lows section. So you can just click on that and that would add it to the test as well. The next thing I'm going to do is go into the indicators library, and I'm going to put us in a similar market environment. The recent selling has us trading below the 10 and below the 200-day simple moving average. So I've added both of those. And then lastly, I'm going to go to the market events library. The active today right here on the far right. I'm going to go to the market events, click on the second option, options expiration day, and that will add it to the test. Now I can click view results. All right, here we go. These are the results based upon entering the market long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time when it is options expiration day in a weak market, which I've described as under a 10 and 200-day simple moving average, and the prior day closed at a 5-day low. So you can kind of think of it as you're trading at the lows of the week coming into options expiration day. Historically, just 14 samples in the S&P. Like I said, this is a rare pattern. That's why I didn't add anything else to the opening filters. 14 here in the NASDAQ, 19 in the Dow, 17 in the Dow, 19 in the Russell. So not a lot of samples here, historically speaking. If we look at the win rates, they are a little weak here as a group. S&P coming in at 43%, NASDAQ 37%, Dow 29%, and Russell, the outlier here, at 63%. So if you look at all those together, it is fairly weak as a whole. And if we go to the average moves, you can see average loss larger than the average win for the S&P. That's also the case for the Dow. The Russell is more kind of similar in size, so it is still larger, but they're not far off from each other. But historically speaking, bigger moves to the downside as a whole, and win rates weak as a whole on this day. A bit more of a bearish session, historically speaking. Hopefully you found that helpful. Good luck today. We'll see you next time.